Napansin mo na ba na maraming hindi sasang-ayon sa'yo kung paninindigan mo ang iyong pinaniniwalaan at prinsipyo sa buhay? Naranasan na rin ito ng Panginoong Jesus. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Following Jesus isn't always easy. It asks us to make choices that might not sit well with everyone around us, even within our own families. It's not that Jesus wants to cause fights, but when people respond differently to his teachings, it can lead to division. Ultimately, our deepest loyalty needs to be to Christ, even if it means navigating difficult waters in our earthly relationships. But the amazing thing is, even amidst that potential conflict, Jesus offers a deep inner peace, a connection with God that stays with us no matter what happens around us. Manalangin tayo. O Diyos, liwanagan mo kami sa panahon ng pagkalito o hindi pagkaunawaan. Turuan mo kaming makita kung kanino talaga kami tapat. Naway biyayaan mo kami ng tunay na kapayapaan kapag nakita ka na namin bilang liwanag sa kadiliman. Amen.